It takes 40,000 years for a photon of light to travel from the core of the sun to its surface. For the same photon to travel from the sun to Earth only takes 8 minutes. The average human attention span has almost halved since 2000, decreasing from 20 seconds to 12 in 2018. The Gatling gun was invented by Dr. Richard Gatling, who noticed that the majority of soldiers during the Civil War who died were due to disease, not gunshot wounds. By inventing a machine that could replace hundreds of soldiers, the need for large armies would be reduced, thus diminishing exposure to battle and disease. Hitler collected Jewish artifacts for a museum of what he hoped to be an extinct race after the Second World War. Crows have the ability to recognize human faces and even hold grudges against ones they don't like. Queen Elizabeth does not have a passport. Since the British passport is issued in her name, she does not need to possess one. However, the other members of the royal family do. Honey is the only food that doesn't spoil. Aerogel, also known as frozen smoke, is one of the world's lowest density solids, being made up of anywhere from 95–99% air. It's almost impossible to see or feel, but can support 4,000 times its own weight. Using a paper towel after washing your hands decreases bacteria by 40%, while using an air dryer increases the bacteria by up to 120% as bacteria grow quickly in warm and moist environments. You can make your own Gatorade at home by simply adding salt to some Kool-Aid. It's not the exact recipe, but it's got just as many electrolytes. In 2006, a rare grizzly and polar bear hybrid species was confirmed in Canada called Pizzly bears or growler bears. Global warming is causing polar bears' habitats to melt, so they find shelter elsewhere and end up mating with grizzlies.